Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily add a blurred background in CapCut. So first, just add your clips and then adjust the ratio. So in this case, I'm going to change the ratio of the clip into 3:4, like this, or maybe square. Let's try square. Now I'm going to just go with 3:4. Now click on a check icon and then fit or adjust the size. I'm going to make it smaller like this. Then you just need to go to canvas and select blur. Now just choose the intensity of the blur. I'm going to go with the third one here. Click on a check icon and you can always adjust the size of your video like so. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to click thanks, like, comment if you have any question, and click on the thanks button. Bye.